In this lecture, we're going to show how we can change the unit system. So let's go to the Sketch tab and let's create a new sketch on the front plane. So let's go with circle, like this. And now let's go to Smart Dimension and let's define diameter, like this. And now here we can see we have millimeters. So let's click OK. And now, for example, you don't want millimeters, you want inches. The quickest way to change the unit system is that you go here down. And now you can see that we have unit system, millimeters, gram, seconds. You can click here and then you can choose here. You have inch, pound, second. Here you have centimeter, gram, second. And here you have meter, kilogram, second. So for example, if we want to go to inches, just click here on the inches. And now automatically we are out of the sketch. So let's go here and let's go edit sketch. And now we can see that our diameter is in inches. If we want to go back to millimeters, we can click here, millimeters. We are out of the sketch, so we have to go back to the sketch, edit, and now we see that we are back to the millimeters. So this is the quickest way how you can change the unit system. As well, let's exit the sketch. Now we're going to show where you can actually define in which unit system you're going to work in SOLIDWORKS. So we have to go here to the options. And here we have two tabs, system options and document properties. Let's go to the document properties here. And here on the left side, you have to choose units. So here you can choose in which unit system in the SOLIDWORKS you're going to work. I have selected millimeters, but you can select IPS, for example. Now here, let's go down. Here you can choose the length, how many decimals you want for the length. Now we have 2 decimals. You can click here. You can go, for example, to 4 decimals. As well, dual dimension length and angle. For the angle, we have degrees. We can change this by clicking here, and we can go, for example, to radians and click OK. And now if we go back to our sketch, edit sketch, and now we can see that we have 4 decimals here because we choose 4 decimals. Now if we go to the line, let's create a line like this. And let's create another line like this. Now let's go to the Smart Dimension. Let's define an angle here. And now we see that we have radians. We don't have degrees. Let's click OK. And now if we want to change this, we can go here to the IPS and let's change to millimeters. And let's go back again to our sketch. Edit sketch. And now here we have millimeters, but we didn't change to degrees because we don't change here the angle units. To change angle units, we have to exit sketch. We have to go back here, document properties again, units, and let's change here to degrees and OK. Now let's go back to the sketch. And now we have here degrees. And this is how you can define and change the unit system in the SOLIDWORKS.